Hey everyone, I'm your host Ryan. Today, we're going to talk about word choice. You'll be writing a lot of scripts for a lot of advertisements. Every word you end up using will be valuable. You might want to use a lot of words to get your message across. The more words you use, the better your audience will understand, right? Wrong. That's not the right mentality. You should be using fewer words that have more of an impact. Quality over quantity. Let's go over some ways that you can pick the best words and why less is often more. Advertising is just one of many mediums of communication. Words are the foundation of our communication. According to the National Center for Voice and Speech, the average rate of speech for an English speaker is 150 words per minute. When you're scripting your ads, you should be aiming for around 75. 75 well-chosen and properly delivered words. Think of some popular mottos and slogans used by brands. They don't incorporate many words, do they?
I'm loving it.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
You tell me, what's in your wallet?
The most effective jingles and slogans don't have many words, but the words they do include are used wisely. That's why they're so memorable. These words and phrases are so powerful, they trigger emotional reactions when we hear them. That's why, when we hear the McDonald's jingle, "I'm loving it," we get a craving. Specific words can even alter the meaning of your call to action. For example, the words discover and learn. If you use the word discover in your call to action, your audience will think of adventure or exploration. If you use learn, they'll think of going to school or learning from a book. Each word is powerful enough to evoke totally different images and sentiments. Words are even more powerful when an emotion is attached to them. People these days are easily distracted. We all are. That's why as advertisers, you have to capture the audience's attention with as few words as possible. Use too many words, and the audience won't pay attention at all. What's up, man? How you doing, bro? Man, I'm doing great. Week started off with a bang. My mom came into town. Sunday she got here, and then we went out to eat Monday. We went to that new restaurant downtown. I forgot the name of it, but the food was amazing. The waiter came and brought me the appetizer, and just from the appetizer alone, I was like, I'm coming back here, and I haven't even had a meal yet. It was wild, dude. By using words that have an impact, you're making sure that you capture the audience's attention. Some words have more of an impact than others. When an ad uses the word free, that makes an immediate impact.
Can I help you, sir?
How much you want for this?
$10.
I don't think this is in my budget.
I'll tell you what, I'll do it for free.
Free?
But you gotta give me $10.
Ah.
Have a nice day.
Whether they're going to save money by using the product or not, the word free makes the audience think that they're saving money. People want to make smart decisions financially, and the word free stimulates that desire to save. Likewise, the word real has a big impact on audiences. It makes people think of authenticity and genuineness. Even if the product itself isn't real, the use of the word gives audiences the impression that it isn't artificial or processed. Just one word that carries a lot of weight. The ads you'll be making will be around 30 seconds long. That doesn't seem like a lot of time, right? That's even more of a reason for you to choose your words wisely. In the limited amount of time that you have, it's crucial that you not only capture your audience's attention, but also impact them. Use words that have an effect on your audience and stimulate them. That way, when you call them to action, they'll be ready and willing to make a purchase. With fewer but more impactful words, the audience is more likely to remember and be impacted by your ad. Keep your ad short, sweet, and to the point. And remember, quality over quantity. And then on Wednesday, we actually went to lunch, but it wasn't lunch that really made my day. My grandma actually came over. And when she came over, my mom and my grandma, they started talking about fun times back when my mom was a kid and when she was a little girl. And it was just a blast to listen to both.